Hey guys, in this video we're going to have a look at the thumb module and finger module. These two modules are there to check which keys are pressed, either on the finger module or the thumb module. First, let's go to the finger module header file, and as always we have here our class module, and inside we have the initialize function and read key state. These are the internal variables. These are the output pins. These are the input pins, number of pins, inside variables for the loops. And here is a matrix of the different keys. Let's quickly have a look at the Links app. So these are the events. So index 0 would be E1, index 1, E2, and these are all the rest of the different keys. Now let's go back to the cade code, and this matrix is for the key states. So it's either 0, not pressed, or 1, it is pressed. Before we're going to have a look at the CPP file, let's have a look at the circuit. And here, for example, on the left side, those are the output pins, and those are the input pins. Now let's have a look at the CPP file. First, the initialize function. This runs in the setup loop, and basically what it does, it sets the output pins to output and input pins to inputs. And this is a function that reads the key states. First, we'll loop here through the output pins. So we're setting one output pin to high, and then we're looking through all the input pins and checking if any of the pins are activated. So basically if its key is pressed. Then if it's pressed, here it activates the event. So we've got here the map, it sends the index, and then it sends to the events actuate function. We're going to have a look at the events later on. And if the key is not pressed, then it releases the events. So it actuates the events. So for example, here would be pressing letter A, and here would be release the letter A. Here we're setting the output pin to high and returning to the loop and going to the next output pin. Now let's have a look at the thumb module. So it's basically the same. It's only differences here. If we have a joystick module, so it has a different matrix for the different keys. Here also the CPP file, and it looks exactly the same as the finger module, so it's no difference. Let's here also have a look at the circuit. So here, that would be the output pins, and these are the input pins of the thumb modules. So that's it for now. Bye bye.